How to create Revolut account. So if you want to create a Revolut account, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection, and then you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store and then go with search and search for Revolut. Once you've searched here, you will have the application, so make sure to install the application. Once you've installed the application, tap on open, which is on the right side, and go with sign up if you want to create your account. So tap on sign up, which is on the bottom right, and here let's get started. So first you need to choose your country code. So I'll be choosing a country code, and after that enter your mobile number and then tap on sign up, which is on the bottom of your screen, and tap on confirm. If your number is correct, check and then tap on confirm, and after that you will receive a verification code to the phone number that you have just entered. You just need to simply enter that 6-digit verification code. But if you've not received the code, you can go with no code received, so that you will again receive the code. You can go with text, email, or you can go with phone call. And once you enter the verification code, it will take you to the next step where you will be able to create your username and your email address, password, and everything. You just need to simply enter your personal information and your account will be created. So that's how you can sign up to Revolut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.